Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool automatic electric rotary dial telephone, and it's a wall unit. And this is Donald's equipment from VA, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. We're going to be installing a modular line port on the inside of this telephone, so Donald can simply bring in any length line cord, any color that he chooses, plug right into the modular line port. It makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. We also want to go through the rotary dial. We want to make sure that we clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial. We want to make sure that the numbers are dialing properly. We also want to go through the receive, the transmit, and the handset cord. We want to make sure that all the connections are tight and everything is working properly. We're going to go through the network. We want to make sure that all the connections are proper and that they're soldered well. We'll go through the bell and the bell circuit. We want to make sure that the bell is working properly and that it has a good ring. We also want to reconfigure the bell circuit. Right now, the bell circuit is open to the circuit when you're off hook. We want to reconfigure that part of the circuit. We don't want the bell coils involved in the open circuit when you're off hook. We'll take care of that issue. Now the cover is Bakelite, and it's the type of Bakelite that's very brittle. So the two cover screws, you never want to tighten them down. You just want to snug them because that can cause issues. Another situation that we see from time to time is when the two cover screws are removed. People do not realize that the hook switch plunger under the handset needs to be removed before the cover will come off the unit. They will pull on the cover and that will cause cracking. So you do not want to stress the Bakelite on these units. It is very brittle. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool automatic electric wall unit rotary dial telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all the repairs to this really cool automatic electric rotary dial telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now I also want to mention that we have an amplified pickup attached to the side of the telephone at the network so that we can pick up the audio from the receiver on our final checkout. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, May 27th. The current time, 1:44 p.m. and the temperature, 64 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool automatic electric rotary dial telephone, a wall unit, has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Donald and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. You can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.